All right, guys, here we go. This is certified 2019 first off the line, box number 1. Box number 1. So Craig, you had Tree, Nick 2, Ron Tree, Ted 5, Joe Tree, Ron 1, Scott 2, Brad 5, Dudes to 2, Jory 2, and Real News with 4. Fake News was on yesterday. I texted him today. I'm redoing my deck, and he's a professional painter. All right, 5 times, ram.org. He was like, is it painted? He's like, never paint your deck. He's like, I'm going to stop you right there. 5 times, once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. All right, Craig, you're on top. You got the Cardinals. Jory, on the bottom. You have Washington. The top and bottom, those are the spots to have, fellas. Those are the spots to have. OJ Howard, that's right. That's what I remember. Or packing is it? Packing heat. All right, Brad, Bears, Broncos, Texans, Vikings, Raiders, Gregory, Cardinals, Falcons, Rams. Dudes, the Packers, Chargers, Joe, Bills, Lions, Seahawks. Real News, Panthers, Saints, Jets, and Titans. Jory, Steelers, Redskins. Nick, Colts, Dolphins. Ronald, Browns, Chiefs, Giants, Niners. Scott, Ravens, Jags. Ted, Bengals, Cowboys, Patriots, Eagles, Bucks. I threw you in the Premier Players. There's 16 left. Alright, guys. Value will be after this. Hopefully Premier Players fills up. That's good stuff. That's that good. Oh shoot. I didn't think these were good. I didn't think it was gonna be a white package. I was just gonna lay it out. Well, just base cards on top. Phillip Rivers on top. First off the line, premium edition. 2 autos, 2 memorabilia cards. Some thick cards in there, jeez. Like I said, there should be a rookie jersey auto numbered to 25 or less in every one of these. There it is right there, that's gold. And gold out of 25. First card, Phillip Rivers. Phillip Rivers. First auto for the Niners out of 60. Merton Hanks. For the Niners, Merton Hanks auto out of 50. Niner. Niner. What? What cards did you get? You got a bunch of random ones. This wasn't on eBay. Not yet. Out of 60. What is that? Merton Hanks. Safety. Josh Jacobs, patch auto at a 25. Nice. Josh Jacobs at a 25, patchy poo auto. Very nice. Patchy poo. Player 1. Nice. At a 25, rookie patch auto of Josh Jacobs. $8. $8. $8. Oh, let's see the video. Oakland going to Brad. Nice hit, Brad. Niners. We're looking to do divisions, fellas. Looking to do divisions if we can. I think it'll sell quicker. Perfect fit. Josh Jacobs. Alright, certified gamer at a 99. Fitzpatrick. Fitzpatrick. 99. For the Dolphins. Certified baller. Game used. Wait a second. How can this be game used as a rookie? It says game used. The game enclosed game used material. He's a rookie. Must be an Alabama jersey, maybe. Anybody know? Game used jersey there. That's gotta be a Bama jersey, right? Maybe like a. It's probably like an all-star game or something. Hakeem Butler for the Cardinals. Hakeem Butler, next gen wide receiver. This is a future Larry Fitzgerald here. We shall see. And Joe Mixon, 20 out of 25 for the Bengals. Nice gold. It's gold, baby. Nice Joe Mixon. And I save all these for real news. Don't be trying to steal the codes. Alright, guys. Nice little box. It's Phillip Rivers base. Put that with the real news codes. Alright, guys. Here we go. So, Joe Mixon, Hakeem Butler, Fitzmagic out of 99. Josh Jacobs, rookie patch auto. And a Hanks auto. Nice. Not a bad box. Yep, I keep saving them for you, man. Alright, guys. So since I'm going to undo them. Undo the grouping here. And we'll see where they go. So Cincinnati Bengals, Ted Talk. Arizona Cardinals, Gregory. Miami Dolphins, Nick D. Oakland Raiders, Brad C. And San Francisco 49ers, Ronald. Alright, guys. Look, everyone's getting a little love. Little love in the club. Cool. Alright, guys. 5 times, ram.org. Top spot. Free spot. Autograph mini helmet giveaway. Yeah, heck yeah, I'll be your kid for the day. I'm sure Pierce. Don't you have. I guess your kid's probably hard enough. 5 times. And Deuce is on top. 5 times. That would be hilarious. It's probably like 13 and under. Alright, I'm 13. It'll be like the baseball movie. Alright, dudes, a free spot into Football 117 for a free autographed mini helmet. And that was from Certified first off the line. Alright, guys, good deal. Good stuff. I like it. I got a handful more boxes left. First off the line. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know. We go live every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Up next is Value Baseball. Thank you.